Hi mga mare at pare, good morning. Actually, it is my morning and today is I think, anong oras na ba? 3:33 in the afternoon and yeah, I woke up at around maybe 12:40, something like that. Then oras ako nagigising because like I said, I work at night. So, ngulit na naman. So, I work at night and that's how my day starts, ganong oras. And for this vlog, I am going to like give you an update about my life. Kung merong may pake or kahit wala, it's okay. And yeah, let's go. So first is I will show you kung saan na kami nag-i-stay ngayon. Later on, I will tell you bakit nandito na kami and bakit dito na kami titira. So maybe I can start with showing you our room. So as you can see, puro plywood and stuff because this is an old house of my husband. So ito yung naging setup. Pina-renovate lang namin siya ng very light. So ito yung itsura niya. Yan. Have a closer look on that. And there is our big achievement. Yes, kasi alam niyo naman na medyo pricey ang split type, but inilaban namin for the sake of the hot weather in the Philippines. Yeah. At ito ang view outside. Yeah. So yan yung outside unit namin. And yung building na yan guys ay simbahan dito sa amin. So, then, itutour ko naman kayo, wow, tour sa labas naman ng kwarto namin. Ito, hindi pa namin ito naparenovate. So, bear with me. Go. Yeah, this is our... Ayan, may balkonahe doon. And that's it, sa baba. Stairs, pababa. So, I know you guys are wondering or you will gonna ask me bakit lumipat na naman and other stuff. Ganon. Parang kakalipat lang, lumipat na naman, lumipat na and everything. So, ang dami nangyari guys. Na-depress ako for quite some time because hindi ko inasahan na 2024 will be the hardest year I could say. Talagang January pa lang kinakana na kami ng problema. January pa lang, ang dami na nangyayari. Ganon. Umalis kami dun sa apartment na inuupahan namin because nagkaroon kami ng problema dun sa landlady and sa kuryente. So, kaya umalis na lang kami. And then, lumipat kami sa bahay ng dad ko. Doon lang din, malapit lang din sa apartment namin. Kasi ang plano talaga namin is dito talaga kami titira sa bahay ng asawa ko. But like, plano namin is mag-iipon muna sana kami ng pampagawa nito habang nandun kami sa bahay ng daddy ko. Kasi nga, syempre sa bahay ng daddy ko, hindi naman kami magre-rent doon. So, most likely makakaipon talaga kami. But things happened, you know, ang dami nangyari eh. So, in short, nagkaroon ako ng conflict sa nanay ko. So, that's why I decided, and we decided just to umalis na lang sa bahay na yung daddy ko para, alam mo yun, hindi na lang lumaki yung gulo and other stuff. And ayoko na rin sila kasama, in short. So, that's why, umalis na lang kami doon. And we decided na kahit hindi pa ready, well, livable naman na itong bahay na to. Like, nakatayo na talaga siya. But it's an old house. So, kailangan talaga niya ng renovation. But dahil nga wala naman kaming choice. And this is really what we want. Dito talaga kami titira sana. Pero papagawa muna sana namin. Now, I know some of you will say na bakit ipapagawa ko? Wala naman akong karapatan dito. Hindi naman kami kasal ni Barry and all the other stuff. So, Alam ko naman yung mga ganun na issue, and hindi naman may iwasan dahil hindi kami kasal ni Barry. But like this is the situation right now. Dito kami mas naging comfortable. Tinanggap kami ng buo dito ng aking mga anak, and yeah. So it was hard na palipat-lipat, but for the sake of our peace of mind and sanity, you know, I took the risk. Kasi doon is sa bahay ng dad ko, ang daming mga hineme, alam mo yun, issue and stuff, mga bagay na parang hindi ko na in-expect na mangyayari, pero nangyari talaga siya. And ayun nga, uuwi yung kapatid ko doon, and we're not okay as well. So hindi na ako magdidetalye, but I'm not okay with my family. So it really took me years before ako nag-burst out ng ganon kalala, because nagpasensya naman ako ng mahabang panahon, and I know that anytime soon, sabi ko nga sa asawa ko, anytime soon baka sumabog na ako, hindi ko na kayanin yung situation doon. So plan B talaga namin is lumipat dito sa bahay na to. And at first, nung lumipat kami dito, it was not easy. Because like I said, kailangan namin ipa-renovate muna kahit yung kwarto lang muna, para kailangan kasi namin ng aircon talaga, dahil si Tadashi is may aircon kami, okay, but like window type. So hindi uubra yung window type dito sa kwarto kasi medyo malaki to, 8 square meter. So yun, plano-plano muna kami ng asawa ko, and gawa-gawa ng paraan kung paano namin mapapa-renovate, since financially, hindi pa rin kami stable. Marami kami binabayarang mga utang-utang, ganyan. So, parang, alam mo yun, nandun pa lang kami sa stage na aangat na sana kami. And then, something happened. Hindi naman inaasahan yun. So, we decided to, ayun nga, manghiram-hiram na lang muna para maparenovate muna namin tong kwarto. And yung aircon naman is, yeah, sa credit card naman yon. So, there, na sa tulong at awa ng Diyos ay napaayos naman namin tong kwarto. At livable na siya ngayon, and we're comfortable here. Ang goal na lang talaga namin ngayon is mapagawa in general yung buong bahay para mas matibay siya. Yon. Kasi old school house siya, so yung details ng bahay is not concrete yet, but the first floor itself parang bato na siya, pero tong second floor is not yet. So kailangan namin mag-ipon ng pera para mapagawa namin tong lahat. But all good in the hood, we're okay here, we have peace of mind, walang nangingialam sa amin, and good vibes lang lahat, alam mo yun. And because I believe na sa panahon na to, sa hirap ng pinagdadaanan ng lahat ng tao, including myself, financially, no, mas kailangan natin ng peace of mind. Yung makakatulog ka ng maayos, alam mo walang gugulo sa'yo, hindi ka mag-aalala kung kailan ka guguluhin ng mga kasama mo sa bahay, yung mga ganong stuff. So, mas pinoprotect ko yung mental health namin as a family. And that's what's important for me. Kahit mahirap yung paglipat na process, but like we have to take risk for the sake na makuha namin yung peace of mind na gusto namin, because gusto namin gumalaw ng tahimik talaga, and dami namin goals. Like kung may mga hindrances along the way, we have to define ano o sino yung mga hindrances na yon. So we have to take them out along the way. So yeah, it's a big decision, but like a mature decision as well, for the family and for the sake of peace of mind and sanity. We are here and we're good, and I can say that we're safe kasi wala kaming kalaban somewhere. So, sa next clip is I will show you na 2 days after namin lumipat, or I think 5 days, nag-swimming kami and ng mga kasama namin dito sa looban, mga tropa-tropa, mga pinsan-pinsan ng asawa ko, mga anak-anak nila, ganyan. So, na-pull off namin yung swimming and nag-enjoy kami lahat. And parang nakaka-refresh siya in a way kasi diba after like a lot of days na pinagdaanan mo na maraming depression and stuff, biglang may swimming, may ganon, diba? Like, okay, restart tayo sa buhay. Ganon. I'll show you the clips. So, dito nga ay on the way na kami sa Bato Springs sa San Pablo, Laguna. At ginamit namin yung sasakyan ng pinsan ng asawa ko. Kasama namin halos lahat ng mga pinsan ng asawa ko, mga anak-anak nila. Nagdala kami ng tent, parang camping din outside nung Bato Spring Resort mismo. And yan, kasama ko yung mga anak ko, yung mga kumari ko na yan si Tadashi. So, like I said earlier, na ito ay parang restart or refresh ng aming mga pinagdaanan in the past few days, no? So, masyado kami nag-enjoy dito kasi parang, you know, na-restart ka in a way na parang nag-gain mo na yung peace of mind na gusto mo, and at the same time, you're enjoying the day and your life with people surrounded na alam mong same goal as you, and they also have peace of mind on their own. And yeah, I kept on saying peace of mind because nowadays talagang parang mas pricey siya or priceless siya in a way, because yun yung bagay na hindi mo mabibili talaga, and it's something na magpupush sa'yo palayo pa. So I have this mindset na protect your peace so makagalaw ka ng mas maayos sa hinaharap. And yeah, so alam ko sa sarili ko kung gano'ng kahirap lahat ng pinagdadaanan namin ngayon, but with God's grace, sa tulong at awa ng Poong Jesus Nazareno, napapagtagumpayan. At alam ko malayo pa, pero malayo na. At lahat tayo lumaban lang sa buhay. At yun nga, piliin natin palagi maging masaya kahit ano't ano pa man ang ating pinagdadaanan. God bless you!